Teresa from Dodge Nature Center, and this week on Nature to Go, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make butter.
When you're going to make butter, you're going to need milk, specifically the cream part. And not all milk from mammals is equally fat-laden. In fact, here's a graphic that I found that shows the different amount of fat that's in different kinds of mammal milk. And what we use coming from the cows is about that 54-55%. And part of what makes it work is that in cow's milk, the fat will separate out. The cream will rise to the top when you first milk the animal. That's not true for all of these other mammals, and that's why we don't have whale butter or some of the others. So to make the butter, what you'll want to do is get some heavy whipping cream. Doesn't have to be ultra pasteurized, just straight pasteurized is fine. And let it come up to room temperature. Then you're going to take a container and fill it about half full with the heavy whipping cream. Tighten down the top and start shaking. And as you're shaking it, you'll hear a sloshing sound. Eventually, the sloshing stops because it's sort of turning into whipped butter. It'll be thick. And for a while, it'll seem like nothing is happening and you'll be wondering what's going on. And then it'll feel a little different in your hand. And when you look at the container, instead of it being all covered inside with the whipped butter, you'll start seeing some open spots. Keep shaking, keep shaking, keep shaking, keep shaking, and all of a sudden, it'll sound sloshy again, because what's happened is that the butter has all smushed together, for lack of a better term, and it's separated out from the buttermilk that's surrounding. There's still buttermilk trapped in that fat, so what you'll want to do is called paddling. Basically, you take a spatula and you just keep smushing the butter, and that helps to push out any more of the buttermilk that's in there, and then you just pour off that buttermilk. Voila! You have just made butter. You are now participating in an activity humans have been doing for about 9,000 years. We have records going back talking about the Sumerians doing this. Butter was used by the ancient Romans and Egyptians. It's been a part of cultures in Europe for thousands of years. And it's something you can do really simply at home with your friends and family.
Now that we've made the butter, you can serve it on delicious crackers. You can bake it into things. It's really simple to do and it's delicious. So enjoy. And we'll talk to you again next time on Nature to Go. Thanks.